Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Daisy here with us today. And Daisy has experienced some recent dizziness, and after examining her, I have determined that it's her atlas subluxated on the right side. So I'm going to do a very special adjustment on her today, which is why I wanted to do this YouTube video. She's been doing pretty good overall. She's had some problems up in her shoulders and across her shoulders and in her shoulder blade, so we've been adjusting that. But I'm going to start down here adjusting her pelvis first. When the atlas, the very first vertebrae in the spine, becomes misaligned, it sometimes puts pressure on the brain stem, the medulla oblongata, and that can cause all kinds of symptoms, including dizziness, blurry vision, loss of concentration, breathing difficulties. Yeah, see, you're moving really good today, Daisy. Good job. She's being cooperative for YouTube. That's good. There. Okay, so I'm adjusting C3 and her cervical curve right now at C5. And the C7 right there. Okay, Daisy, let's turn you on your back for a second. And she gets dizzy when she's laying down, especially like last night she got dizzy in the middle of the night. Now tell me if you feel dizzy laying back here like this right now.
Just a little.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to bring your head up and back. There. Good. Okay. Now, your right atlas is out, so I want you to lay on your right side, or left side, pardon me, and face me. Lay on your left side. No, this way.
Right side.
Face me. There you go. Left side. Right side up. Now, I need to tuck your shoulder down underneath.
I can't.
You dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Just let your head relax there for a second. I'm going to lift it up. Now see, she gets positional dizziness, which is called paroxysmal positional dizziness. So I am leveling her head right now to get her atlas in a better biomechanical position. We're going to bring her legs together. We're going to bring her pelvis out here so that we have a good spinal alignment. Now I want you to look, kind of lift yourself up onto the headpiece. I'm going to hold your shoulder down though. Okay, now you have your head just like that right there. Put this arm right here. Okay. You're going to feel your head popping up on this next one. I got to change this drop piece to straight down. There we go. Okay. This is a toggle recoil of her atlas. There we go. Excellent. Good. Just relax and breathe for a second. Very good. Okay. So let's sit up now, Daisy. And come. What happened?
Dizzy.
You still dizzy?
Yeah.
Okay, well come over here on this table. I'll decompress you here. Make sure you don't fall out the window. Okay, so let's lay on your back here. Do your favorite adjustment.
But I'm still dizzy. What can I do?
Well,
No,
you're here. I'm going to do it.
After the other one.
You don't have to do anything. You're just going to breathe. Breathe and relax.
It's just when I turn up on the side. Just,
Yeah, got whirly.
Yeah.
Well, sometimes it takes a little while for the adjustments to change you neurologically, so it doesn't always happen instantaneously. So I'm going to get this towel around your occiput and your mandible.
Oh, hold on.
Okay, well you guys let me do this though.
Oh.
There you go. Just breathe. There you go. Good.
Oh.
Okay, keep breathing. There we go. You're still kicking. You're alright. Alright, let me do one more adjustment on your cervical spine. Let me have your neck. Open your eyes and relax. Tilt right a little bit. There we go. Now I want you to tilt left a little bit. I got you. There it is. Good. Okay. Now you shouldn't feel as dizzy right now after I did all that. Do you?
Yes.
You do?
No. But what about if I lie down again?
Here, let me help you up. Well, I can't tell the future. I don't have a crystal ball. Okay, open your eyes. When you close your eyes, it gets worse. Breathe, remember. Breathe. Okay. Breathe. Okay, come over here in front of the mirror and let me shoot you. Okay.
It seems real busy.
Well, I'm not done yet. Stand here in front of the mirror. Okay, let's say you flex your head forward and backwards. And now normal. See, you're not falling over or anything, so that's good.
But I feel want to.
You feel like you want to? Well, don't. That'd look bad on our YouTube channel.
Just,
There we go. Okay. Now, close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards to make sure you don't fall over. Okay, breathe. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Flex your head forward and then backwards. Backward and now normal with your eyes open. You're right down the middle. You're not weaving now. Do you feel dizzy right now with your eyes open and breathing? Breathe. Don't forget to breathe.
no, but
Okay. Well, good. That's good. Stop there. So we're going to send her in to see Joseph now. Daisy's had her share of issues with her neck and upper back and shoulders, so this is just another example of how the nervous system can affect brain function and the physiology and workings of the autonomic nervous system, which controls and coordinates the function of the entire body. So Daisy, I want you to keep breathing and get your stuff and step 1 step, 2 steps, 3 steps, 4, 5, 6, 7, all the way up to Joseph. And we're going to have her walk up the hall, but not like you know who.
Hey, are we ending?
We're done. This is your Houston Chiropractor and Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.